Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Is my voice is audible? Okay. Good afternoon. Hope you are all doing good. Okay. Did you all create your portfolio? Yesterday in the Discord we are sending the task, right? You have to build your portfolio. Okay. So many of them are giving thumbs down. Like no one is giving me thumbs up. Now I am saying the thumbs up. Okay, some of them are not getting what I am talking. So yesterday in the Discord group, we are sending the task. So we have to you are have to do that side project of your own idea. So you have to build an app of your own idea. Okay, so this one is a task. So for that app, you have to create the portfolio or like in creating the screens, UI screens using that Google AI Studio. Using the Google AI Studio, you have to create that UI screens. So many of them are not seeing the task. So that's why we are telling that every time you have to go and check your Discord messages. Okay. So I will tell you what how to build and how it works. Okay. On your own idea. We are not giving any topics. We are not giving any. You have to do this project only. We are not giving any titles. This is your own idea. By your own idea only, you have to create or build one app. Okay. So you just go to that Google AI Studio. This is an one AI tool. Google AI Studio is an AI tool. So you just go to that Google AI Studio and give an prompt. Just give it an prompt, like whichever the app you are building, whatever the screens in your app, you first mention those things, and after that give that prompt. After that, give that prompt. So it will create your UI screens. That Google AI Studio create the UI screens. After that, you have to import that screens. So you are knowing how an idea about how your front end will look when you created that portfolio. You will have an idea about how it looks. So you just make sure that that portfolio to get it into the Android Studio. So is no one is doing this portfolio, like completing this portfolio? Is there anyone completed? Just raise your hands. Is there anyone completed? Just raise your hands. Okay. Okay. Sorry that I lost some connections. Okay, just a second. Just give me a second. Okay. So some of them are getting confused, like what is this portfolio and all. You just create that UI screens in the Google AI Studio. There is nothing in the portfolio. The same as it is, like you are creating the UI screens. That's that portfolio. Okay. So you just create your UI screens, whichever the screens you want in your app. Like if you are creating some app like, regarding that uh, tracking your financial activities, you just imagine that one. So we are creating that tracking our financial activities. So in that app we want that some dashboards, it will showing the total balance, income, expenses, some categories like transaction categories, and then analytics and the profile settings page. So like this you just create the screens. You just create the screens in your Google AI Studio, not in the Android Studio. Google AI Studio how to create. So in the Google AI Studio only you can see that code also. You are not writing any code. You just give the prompts. Okay, you just give the prompts. It will create, and you can see the code also. There is an option for seeing that code. Okay, after completing, you are okay with that screens. You just import those screens in your Android Studio, or you created those screens in your Android Studio by tomorrow. You have to complete this task by tomorrow. Not only creating the screens in your Google AI Studio, you have to complete it in your Android Studio. Just listen carefully what you have to do. You have to create your own app. You have to build your own app that you have to build screens by tomorrow. In the Android Studio, you have to build the screens, UI screens. Understand, right? There is no confusion. Just front end only. Just front end only. After that only, like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we are move forward for the backend and all the other working functionalities. First you have to create your front end like UI screens. Okay, so you are already know in the this is your sixth week. In all the 5 weeks, we are completing this LMS platform, right? So this LMS platform, the code labs are the some parts of this app building. You are in those code labs, you are knowing that how to add the text messages, images, or a list, scrollable list. Some other functions you are learning in that code labs, right? So from here, from today onwards, you have to create your app. This is not a main project. This is not a main project. This is just a side project. Like how you are creative, like your ideas will build in your app. You have to build your app by your own ideas. And another one thing, like some of them are asking me that is it necessary to do the side project, or why you are conducting this meeting. Some other things you are like nonsense things you are asking. I will simply tell you that you just imagine like you are doing the internship in a company. You are not doing any college projects and all. Is it necessary? If you are asking, is it necessary? When you go to the company, if your manager will assign you some task, you are asking your manager that, sir, it is necessary to do this task? No, right? So whatever the task we are given, you just do that one. Don't raise the question with nonsense. This is not in your classroom, and I am not your teacher. I am doing the meeting regarding the project. I am assigning the task. We are already telling, like, we are given all the resources here. We are telling you how to do the UI screens in our Google AI Studio. So it will help you to look like whatever the screens you are doing, you are seeing that one. So it is okay or not. This design is okay or not. Should I add any features to this one? My UI, how it my UI looks. You can see that one in the Google AI Studio. Directly, you can't do it in the Android Studio. It will difficulty for you. So just by giving the prompt, you are creating that UI screens. So explore that Google AI Studio. So in that only you can see where you can see the code, or how we importing into that Android Studio. All these things will be there. You have to explore all the things in that UI screen. If you're opening one website, you have to go through and check it all the things. What and all the functionalities will be in there in the websites. And another one thing, like so many of them are asking me, ma'am, show it in your screen and all. So from today onwards, we are not sharing any screen. We are only giving the task. So it will your responsibility to do that one. So for giving the prompt, you are just giving like whenever you are searching something in a chat GPT or some Gemini, you are giving the prompts, right? Give it like that only. Don't give I am not knowing that how to give it in a professional way. Don't know that, you just give it in your simple way. It will understand. You just add on the futures. In one prompt you can't do anything, you just add on the prompts. You are just giving that, okay, I want on login screen, and these are all the informations I want in that screen. You are giving that one. So after that, you can you have another idea, like in the login page I have to add another one thing. You just return that idea and give it like send it in a prompt. That's it. This is so simple you're doing it in a Google AI Studio. So that's why we are giving that resources. That's why we are saying that do it in a Google AI Studio first. After that, you can do it in an Android Studio. And Vishal, it's your own idea. So you are the one person who is giving the title. We are not giving any titles to that one. Whatever the title you want, you just give that one. And about so many of them are asking for the submission and all. You are not completed your project. Yesterday only we are given the task. Yesterday only we are given the we have to told you that you have to build your app. So you are not completed that app. Just complete your app. After that we will tell you where you have to submit and all. We have to review that app and all. After that only you are submitting that one. So still is there any confusions? Yes, from Friday is the last session we are taking that one. After that, we are not taking any classes, any meetings we are not conducting. And about the cancellation, we are sending the like posting the messages in the Discord. You have to check that one. Development using AI. So just listen once, like why we are giving this side project and all. So you can know how to build. You can use your knowledge in the LMS, what you are learned in this LMS platform and all. You can use that one, and after that you created your side project. So it will help you to build your main project. Okay. If you are not joining the Discord, you have to join. And another one thing, like in the past also, I will tell you these things. Just don't ask silly questions. Okay. I'm not a joined to Discord. You have to join that one. These things and all are starting that first week. We are telling you from the first week. So for tomorrow, you have to do your all UI screens in your Android Studio. And regarding the platform, don't ask me in the session. Whenever we are conducting any meeting, don't ask me regarding the platform queries. So for the queries regarding the platform only, they are conducting the another sessions. You just mention your queries in that. So many days I will tell you that one, don't ask anything about the platform, right? Still you are asking that one. So those who are not prepare your like create your portfolio, create that one. After that, create it in a Android Studio. Like import it, that one in the Android Studio. For importing or for giving the prompts and all, this is your responsibility. When you are already done with your agent blazer champion, right? In that course, in the LMS platform, in that course, there is one session for the prompt engineering only. If you are completed that one, you will know how to give the prompts and all. They are given the full instruction how to give that prompts. Okay. So we are moving on to that project. Still, you are asking silly questions and all. You are not thinking as a professional. You are still thinking as a student. So for the today's task, you have to build that UI screens, the idea of your app. Guys, just think that we are given the opportunity to build an app, whichever the idea you have, you can use this opportunity to build. You can build any student timetable tracking or student tracking, financial trackings, or the healthcare, some other things. There is so many options. We are not forcing you how to do this one. And this is your idea. Whatever you are saying, that's the correct. Because we don't know about your idea, right? So use these opportunities. Just don't stick on to the everything we have to tell. No, when you go outside, when you work on some companies and all, they are not giving any other resources and all. They are just assign you a task. You have to do this one. They are not helping you anything. So do your task, like complete your task by tomorrow. Otherwise, it will harder to you only. It will difficulty to you only to complete, because after that we are moving on for the backends or the other work functionalities and all. Okay, so complete it by tomorrow in Android Studio. How to create those UI screen in your Android Studio. Okay, understand, right? Okay, then. So we will wind up here. Thank you, Anandal. Thanks for joining. We'll meet you on the next session, tomorrow's session. Complete your task. Have a nice day.